Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Center channel. How are you today and what is going on? Before we start with video, be sure to subscribe with bell on, so you can get notification when I upload next one. And leave like if my videos help to you. Let's go to the video. Yesterday we got new update in CSGO. After this update some people has problem with game won't launch. Engine error pop out, pack file corruption. Here I will give you few method how to fix it. First method. After you update your game, click on this arrow in system tray. Right click on Steam and exit. Then right-click on Start. Search. Right Steam, then right-click on it and run as administrator. Go to Library, Counter-Strike and try to start your game. Second method. Open your Steam account, go to Library, right-click on Counter-Strike. Properties. On left side click on Local Files, then Browse. When window is open, right-click on CSGO and run as administrator. Third method. Open your Steam account, go to Library. Right-click on Counter-Strike. Properties. On left side click on Local Files and verify integrity of game files. After verify is complete, go back to your library and click play on Counter-Strike. With this method my game was fixed and playable again. That's it for today's video. Thank you for your time and I hope this video was useful. Peace out.